Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The Labour and Employment Exchange had given the SS for the private companies. They can directly have the SS, they can see who are the job seekers. So they can directly ask them, they can call them for the interview. This is enrollment to employment. जर आम्ही त्याने राईटली म्हटलंय की एनरोलमेंट करतले एम्प्लॉयमेंटा खातीर बरेचशे फावटी म्हणजे वेन यू आर अप्लायिंग फॉर द गव्हर्नमेंट तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजीचे कार्ड आहा म्हणजे तरतलो. Now the private people when who are employed in a private company also, he will say that I am employed in the private company, I have this much experience, so that another company will, by considering his experience, they can call for the interview. This is a private government partnership program. So CI have taken the responsibility to run this model career center.
MCC खंय प्रत्येक तालुक्यांत बेरोजगार भुरग्यांक प्रशिक्षण शिबीर घेतली.
Wherever the opportunity is available, आमच्या युवकांक दिवपा खातीर फक्त पणजेन बसून न रावता तुम्ही तालुका लेवलाचेर ॲटलिस्ट तुमचो म्हयन्यांतलो एखादो कॅम्प हो ऑर्गनायज करचो पडटलो. थंय तुम्ही तांकां ट्रेन करचें पडटलें.
आदलो मुख्यमंत्री सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रीकरान सुरू केल्ल्या ह्या प्रोजेक्टांतल्यान खंय गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक देशभरांत 37 केंद्रांतल्यान ऑनलायन प्रशिक्षण घेवंक मेळटलें.
Our late CM, the Honorable Shri Manohar Parrikar, kick-started this work of the MCC. Across the nation, these model career centers will be equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and smart technologies that will enable the local youth to get connected and learn from the best teachers, business professionals, mentors and peers, and not only within the state of Goa, but across India.